Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. How are you? It's cold this morning. My land, it's cold. And the wind, come on, y'all. The wind is stupid. The wind makes it like so much colder. I didn't have to walk outside very much this morning, but I don't want to be outside. It's so friggin' cold. How is everybody? I'm just gonna invite everybody real quick, like, hopefully. It's never quick. Never quick. How is everybody? Did you guys have a good night? I had a good night. It was chill. Chill, chill. I like a chill night. It makes me happy. Ugh. Okay, I'm almost done inviting people, and then I'm going to say hi to you all singly. Okay, I think I'm done. I think. Maybe not. I don't know. I never know. Good morning, Kat. Good morning, Mike. How are you? It's so cold in my office this morning. Super, super cold. How is everybody? Did you guys have a good night? I did. Good morning, Charity. How are you, baby? Oh, do you hear the wind? The wind is ridiculous. Good morning, Jody. How are you, sweetie? Good morning, Michelle. Do you hear it? It's so loud. It's scaring me. It's scaring me a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go in with my liquid foundation because it's my favorite one. It's so cold, Jody. You're right. It is freezing. My office, my brother lives out here, and he sleeps hot, so he must turn off the heater at night because it's cold in the morning when I come out here. And my house is nice and warm because I sleep with, you know, the heater on. It's cold there too, Kat. Ugh, I hate cold. Look at how dry my chin is right here. It's from the weather lately. The cold does not like my skin. It makes me mad. Yeah, so I don't really have anything to talk about today except for it's freaking cold and I'm not liking it. That's it. Good morning, Philip. How are you? Happy Tuesday. Yeah, it's freaking cold. I don't like cold. I want to be somewhere where it's not cold. Anybody with me? Let's go on a vacation. A vacation that costs $0 and I can still do all of my work from there. Can somebody facilitate that for me? That'd be awesome. Oh my gosh, your bank's drive-thru collapsed? That's crazy. Yeah, it's just windy as hell here today. And I know it's supposed to be all day long until like tonight at 7, right? I think that's what my friend said. Good morning, Melissa. How are you, sweetie? Good morning. Okay, so yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Hi, Yuli. Good morning, sweetie. I don't know what I'm doing other than my makeup and work. And well, I might have to go to Portland, but I don't really want to. I don't know. I need to. I need to go get t-shirts. You're dying. It's so cold. I need to run a special on that hoodie, actually. I'm so freaking cold. I should do that this morning. Maybe sell a few of those and then add that to my income. Good morning, Vicky. Happy Tuesday. Yuli, I'm good. I'm freezing. Good morning, Gail. Took your second shower trying to get cold or warm. I'm sorry, Trey. You're so teeny, I'm sure. You can't layer enough to get you warm. My little 80-pound friend. Okay. My foundation is on. I'm going to add my lip exfoliator, guys. Okay, this is a good one because due to the weather, this lip exfoliator is awesome. It helps get all your dry, nasty, cracked stuff off your lips because it's a sugar scrub. And then it's got all the essential oils that hydrate your lips while it sits there. Hey guys, if you're watching on the live, I know you're watching because I see you up there. You can see the little red button box up there. Hashtag live so I can say hi to you or hey or whatever, anything you want. So I can say hi to you because I can't see you until you pop a comment down there. And if you're watching on the replay, if you can hashtag replay so I can say thank you for watching. And if you're watching and you sprinkle my video for any reason, if you can hashtag sprinkled so I can thank you for helping me get my videos out there further, I would truly appreciate that. Hydration, right there. Okay. This is probably one of my favorite things. Even if I don't wear makeup, I use the lip exfoliator because it gets so much yummy goodness and moisture to those lips with the essential oils. And it's yummy. I mean, I don't eat it, but it's sweet. Okay, I'm using palette number 1 to do my eyebrows because as we know, no, thank you, Eulenia. Mascara is not in the boob. Thank you. It's so cold. It's going to be so cold on my chest. Woohoo! Hello. That's cold. Okay. Thanks, Yuli. You're always keeping me on point there. Okay. I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to use the color Forthright, which is this one right here, because I have darker hair. So I go a little darker with mine. I don't go as light. Good morning, Rusty. Or Rusted. Dougie. Facebook. Can be anybody you want. Isn't that fantastic? Charity sent me a bunch of looks today, so I'm going to pick one. I haven't decided exactly which one, but I'm pretty close. Thanks, Yuli. You're a good friend helping me keep my mascaras warm. Because I forget things sometimes. It happens. Good morning, Kylie. The wind is taking a small little break. It got quiet out there. Charity, that's funny. Good morning, baby. My little baby, McKenna, she's 9. She's so silly. I told her to put on a really warm jacket today because it's going to be freezing, and she puts on like this windbreaker. Okay, if you're cold, you're cold. Good morning, Melissa. Happy Tuesday. Good morning, Dave. How are you? See, I made the comment that the wind was calming down and it got worse. It's so windy. It's a little scary. I mean, not really because I'm inside, but it's noisy. My scroll thingy started to work again, guys. You just wore jammies over to stay warm, Nana's? Cool. It's a good idea. Right, Jody? It's so stinking loud. I have stuff flying around my yard. I don't want to go outside and get it, though. I'm halfway tempted to just let it blow away. To be honest, if I'm being real true. It's cold. I do need to go make sure everything in the back is not gonna fly away. Good morning, Lindsay. How are you? Happy Tuesday. It's calm as can be in Oregon City. Hi, Ron. Yes, you will see me this afternoon as long as I'm still here and the wind hasn't taken me away. Totally kidding. I'll be here. I will take sun every day, Jody. I hate cold. I hate cold. Hate it. Okay. Are you guys ready for my eye look? Are you ready? I'm not ready. Okay. Charity sent me a bunch of looks. I'm going to open them up. Okay, so Charity sent me like, look, she sends me a lot. See all these looks? I might be here tomorrow, Kylie. Yeah, probably. You guys ready for it? I'm not going to show you which one. How's that look? What do you think, Charity? Do you like that one? Do you like that one? Good morning, Susan. How are you? What do you think, Chair Bear? Is that a good one for you? Or are you in the shower ignoring me? because you do that. Hi, girly. I love you and miss you always too, sweets. I hope you guys are doing good. Charity, you win, okay? You win. Okay, so that look is a little intimidating only because it's in a palette that scares the crap out of me. Okay, Charity, palette number 5. Charity wins. I'm gonna use it. It scares me quite a bit, but I'm gonna use it. Yes, number 5. Ugh. Scary palette. Good morning, Stephanie Ann. How are you? Okay, so this one terrifies me. I gotta look at it, and I'm gonna have to like stop and look at it so I don't screw it up, because these colors terrify me. I don't know why they scare me so bad, but they really, truly do. Okay, so I'm gonna just work from the inside to the outside. Jody's excited. Yay, I'm terrified. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use just a crease brush. And I'm going to use Fearless. I mean, I'm totally afraid, but I'm going to use Fearless because that's the inner pop color. And I'm going to go light and then maybe build it up. Oh my God, the wind. Here we go. I know I got this. I totally got this, but it still scares me. I mean, I know it'll turn out pretty-ish. Good morning, Paul. How are you? Purple. The purple's pretty. It is going to be beautiful, Charity. I know. I always trust you. This one is pretty. This one's not too terrifying, though. I mean, some of the looks from palette 5 are terrifying. How do you know? How do you... You got distracted by your kitty? Your kitty Finn? Yeah, see, I remembered his name. Okay. You love purple? Purple's pretty. Okay. I'm gonna go in with 3. Suspicious. Suspicious. No, I'm not gonna go in with suspicious. I'm gonna go in with sarcastic. Sarcastic's this one. That's gonna be the outside color. Oh my God, the wind. Have to make sure I use the right colors because these colors are terrifying. Okay, I'm really quiet today. Sorry, the wind is distracting me, I guess. You about to go where, Yuli? Oh, your roof's about to go. Yeesh. That's scary and expensive. I hope it doesn't go. Actually, I saw a truck in front of your house this morning when I passed it. Okay, number 3, suspicious. Suspicious is going right there in the inner pop color for my halo. My halo. See, this doesn't look like the picture. Charity Warden. Good morning, Catherine Sells. How are you, boo? How's my girl? Uh-oh, I lost my photo. Hold on, gotta get her back. Okay, it's back. Whew. I know it's not done yet, Cher. Good morning, Bucontini. How are you? I'm using some of the same brushes, and I'm just cleaning it between with my Color Switch Morphe, or my Color Switch Mini by Morphe, because I want the same size brush. Good morning, Deborah Hatch. So I am cleaning it between different colors. Good morning, Susan. How are you, sweetie? Look at me. Okay. Oh, look at me. Okay, I'm going to use Brilliant as my crease color right there. Good morning, Marnie. How are you? Oof. Super good. I'm super good too, Susan. Actually, the wind is scaring the crap out of me. I don't like that. I mean, I know it's part of the look, but I'm not a huge fan of it. It's better. The wind is horrible, Susan. Do you hear it outside my house? Okay, Charity, what do I need to add? I need to add more of the sarcastic. Oh, Charity teacher. What do I need to do, my love? I'm not sure here, man. Good morning, Donna. How are you? Happy Tuesday. Good morning, Chelsea. How are you? Happy Tuesday. I'm trying a new look, and it's terrifying, and I'm not loving it. So bear with me as I play with it. Charity, where we at, girl? I know I don't want to lose power because then I can't work, and losing power here is not good. Charity, what do I need to do, babes? I'm in Canby, Milano area. It's super bad. I'm not even, like, I was outside of the line that they said would get the nasty winds. I think I'm just getting the, like, side effects. Thanks, Jody. Okay, Chair. What else do I need to do, babes? Blend this out right here. Charity Warden, where the hell are you? Okay, so go darker on the pinky color out here. And the silvery one scares me. I don't want to go darker with the silver. It scares me. On the inner corner. That's purple. Oh, you want the silver on the inside, right here. Is that what you're saying? Okay. Holy crap. Pinky color. Sarcastic. Okay. The halo. Okay. Okay, the pink. Gotcha, chair. You've been talking in your sleep. Oh. Good morning, Deanna. How are you, beautiful? Hi. Whoa, holy hell. Good morning, Lynette. How are you? Oh, another scratcher. That's silver, man. It's a scary mother color. Okay, chair, how's that? How's that, babe? The wind. Charity. Yeah, you know. Yay or nay, baby? You like it? That's good? That works for you? Am I doing brown or black liners, y'all? Which one? Pick. I was just thinking the same thing, chair. Okay, I'm gonna do what Charity said because I like it. Black liner. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of the purple, which is Fearless, and I'm gonna add that to the bottom lash line. Charity, how far do you want me to go in with it? All the way or just halfway? Oh my God, the wind. Okay. Oh my God, the wind. Okay, cool. Done. Palette 5 terrifies me. Still terrifies me. Doesn't sound good. You might see my butt. Sorry. Okay, nothing will get broken at this point. There's a ladder standing up. I have to go take down. Okay, sorry, y'all. All right, cool. Done with my eyes. I'm gonna put on some black liners. Black liner. I'm gonna use my dip and draw liner. What color is my I'm gonna do purple. You don't get a choice anymore. I just chose for me. Okay, so I'm gonna use my perfect liner, dip and draw. It's the color black. It's called purple. And I'm gonna do some wingy wings. Should I do some big wings or some little wings or some mediano wings? Medium. Good morning, Jessie. How are you? Happy Tuesday. Good morning. I think this is big enough wing. Tiny little hair here. Medium. Medium wing. Okay, got it. Okay. There's a little tiny hair on there that was making the line weird. You love the wing? Thank you. Good morning, Terry. Should I thicken it up a lot or just leave it? Not too bad. It looks like it's snowing. Why all this stuff flying through the air? Good morning, Patrick. How are you? Oh my God, the wind. Good morning, Danielle. How are you? Good morning, V. How are you? I'm waiting for something to be breaking outside. The wind is ridiculous. How are we doing? Is that good, chair? I think it's good. You're back. That was fast. It's not done yet. Good morning, Nikki. How are you, honey? Good morning, Molly. I miss your beautiful face. When are we going to do a girls' night, girl? Shoot, just come to my house, girly girl. You're always welcome. Open door policy for you. Good morning, John. How are you? So guys, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Laura Bush. Good morning, Andrea. My name is Laura Bush. I am a pink status presenter for Unique Cosmetics. I'm a single mama of 4 daughters. And good morning, Larry. And I also run the Print Peddler out of Canby, Milano area as my first business. And I do that, good morning, Nikki. I do that also that I can stay home and raise my daughters. So when I do my Get Ready with LBeast in the morning, yes, I am not pushing my products on you. I am just showing you how to use them. However, I am selling them. I'm not a hard pusher for sales. If you would like the makeup, I would love to help you out, and that helps me out because, well, every bit of makeup that I sell, I get to stay home a little bit longer with my girls because I don't want to get a job outside my home. And this is allowing me to stay home with these lovely, beautiful babies. All 4 of them. So if you have questions about the products I'm using, message me. I'm more than happy to answer, and I answer very quickly. And if you need custom apparel, hit me up. I could get you definitely geared up. I also embroider, and I work for small businesses. I work for individuals. There's no minimum, no maximum orders. I just use my purple liner in the color of Passionate as my bottom waterline. Now, because I always, thank you, Nikki. It's palette number 5 this morning, but the makeup all in general is what Nikki's saying is the bomb. But my eyes are palette 5 today. Can you believe it? I finally ballsed up and did it. This palette terrifies me. Still a little scared of it, and it's already on my face. Okay. Good morning, Kay Marie. How are you? All right, my eyelashes are combed out. I'm going to use my lash primer to prime my eyelashes so that I can add the 4D and make my lashes go bam. I'm glad you're good, Nick. Okay, should I turn this way? I do one eye at a time with the lash primer because I don't want it to be completely dry before I use the 40 on it. I want it to be a little dry, but not all the way dry. I love that you guys all talk to each other while I'm doing my makeup. It makes me happy. Nikki, don't be in a funk. I totally get it though. I've been in a funk for days. Yesterday was the first day I was not in said funk. And I was still kind of in a funk. But today I'm not. What? Okay, 4D Epic Mascara. This is like the magic sauce. Like this stuff is ridiculously awesome. It makes your lashes go from wham to bam. So I've got the lash primer. I'm going to add the magic sauce, which when you use it, wiggle and twirl the wand so that you get all the fibers on there really, really well, and it covers everywhere, and then it will lengthen your lashes as well. So I'm going to turn my mirror. Hopefully you guys can see. And it does take a little bit of like learning how to move the wand before you really can kill it and slay it, but you do figure it out after a few uses. And a few times getting some massive clumps because you don't wiggle enough. Which is what will happen. If you don't wiggle the wand enough, you know you're not wiggling it enough because you will get clumps on your lashes. And I still occasionally get clumps on my lashes, so it's not like foolproof. Just trial and error. But your lashes are going to be bomb when you're using it. Especially if you used a primer with it. Hello. Nikki, do you have the primer yet? Because it's amazeballs. Nikki, I'm sorry you're in a funk, babe. If you need to talk, you can call me or whatnot, message me. Always happy to try to help. If you need encouragement, I got you. If you need an inappropriate joke, I definitely got you. If you need somebody to cry with, probably call somebody else because I don't do that. mean, you could cry. I won't, but you could. No judgment. I just don't do it. Okay. First pass, done. Swapping them out. What color lippy am I going to do today, ladies? Since I'm already doing scary makeup with palette number 5, what are you going to do? What are you going to make me wear, y'all? Ooh, I have this really pretty one. It's pink. I don't know if it'll match. It's really bright. I've never worn it. Good morning, Miranda and Taylor. How are you? Do you see how curly my lashes get from this primer wand? You're headed this way. Sweet. Coming up to see the Bam Bam? No, I'm doing one layer of the lash primer, but I'm doing it on one eye at a time. And then I do a layer of 40, and then I go back over once this dries. I go back over just the tips of this with the 40 again, Nikki, to get more length to the tips of them. But I only do the base of the lashes down here, the first pass, and then I do the tips the second pass. And if I really want to go with length, I go with third pass even. But I only do the lash primer once. I just do it one eye at a time because I want it to be a little bit wet, not all the way wet, when I put the 40 on it. And that's my personal preference. It's what works for moi. So yes, I do it in sections, but only one. I mean, you can do 2 layers of primer. I don't know if it would benefit really. Good morning, Ashley. How are you? Holy crap, something just fell. Crap's getting real over here with the wind, y'all. Hey, Ashley, I use the stupid palette 5. I know that people love it, but it terrifies me. Okay, there's one pass each eye. I'm going to go back in with the second pass, and I like to just hit the tips of them. I don't hit the base like I just said. So I will just do the tips of the lashes, and I go downward and upward because you can get lash or the fibers on both ways, and it lengthens them a little bit easier for me personally. No rules for makeup. Do whatever works for you. I need to become Ashley and be ambidextrous so I can do it with my left hand. There's no wind in Malala. There's no wind in Oregon City. Am I just in like the wind hole? The wind hole. Like it's like a tunnel. I don't know. Just lucky me, right? Hopefully nothing's getting broken. I do need to go get that stupid ladder. I don't know, Nikki. The wind is blowing that way, so I'm assuming it's going to Canby because when you're outside, it's blowing that way. So my guess is it's going towards Canby. It broke your outside blind. I'm sorry, Yuli. The one out of the window, the second window on the left-hand side, because that was broken the other day. I noticed it the other day. I'm not a stalker. I pass your house 4 times a day. Or maybe I am a stalker. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, Yuli. Canby's the wind tunnel. Lucky Canby. I don't know. It's dying down right now, but it dies down and then it gets really bad again. I'm gonna have to finish this video and then go outside. You're not laughing about the blinds? Phew. Oh, the other window. I did notice a truck I have never seen before at your house this morning. Yes, I guess I am your stalker, Yuli. I think I am. I mean, don't let that get out. We don't want my good name to be tarnished with stalking abilities. What else? Okay, what color lippy am I doing, y'all? You know what I haven't done yet is my contour. I don't know how I missed that. I think it was just because I was so excited to do palette number 5 for charity. I'm gonna use Yuli lives like a mile and a half from me, Nikki. It's not far. I'm using Beachfront Bronzer in the color of Malibu for my contour today. Charity likes it. I'm winning Charity's heart right now. Because I did scary things again because she challenges me. I don't know why I listen to her. I mean, it's pretty. It is pretty. It's not as scary as I thought it would be. So there's that. It's a win. It's a solid win. Solid win, Charity. I'll let you have it. I'm going to use Seductive as my blush today, though. I've been using Sisterly. I think I want to use Seductive. I mean, yes, Nikki. It's funny. We always know the kids. I'm using the Mood Struck blusher in the color of Seductive, which is a gorge color. Super pretty. Putting that on my cheeky bone. Thank you, Kat. Oh, the power just blinked. Crap. Don't go out. You know, that totally sucks when my power goes out during the workday because everything I do is electric. I can't function. Oh, is your sister-in-law's job? Cool. I'm just blending out harsh lines. The color's going to stay. The harsh line's going to go. I look great, but nobody's going to enjoy it after my video except for my kids. What color of highlight do you guys want me to use today? I have the rose gold one, the benevolent one, which is my favorite one, or I can do the iridescent, which is the really, really bright one. The light one, the white. Almost white. This is the iridescent. It's super, super shiny. If I can open it. That one. Good morning, Debbie. How are you? How are you? Maybe I'll use this one. So this one goes on super shiny. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see how shiny that is? Pink. The rose. Okay. Lustrous is the rose gold one. God, the wind. Go right up on your cheekbones. Go right on anywhere you want shiny. So mostly my whole face. I'm going with the rose gold because deep down that was the one I wanted. And Charity's picked out most of my colors today, so. What color lipstick, y'all? Y'all can help me pick that still. Cruz, how are you? Happy Tuesday. I'm really quiet today. Sorry, y'all. Sorry, not so sorry, I guess. What else? Okay. Pink gloss. It's not what I expected with this look. I'm gonna do a pink gloss. What do y'all think? Is that what we're doing? A pink gloss? I have a couple different glosses. I have, that's not pink. I have Luxe. I have the really dark brown one, which is Lucky. I have Livid, which is more like a coral color, orange. I have Luscious, which is more like a reddish pink. That's what I have for gloss. I could use Coastal Breeze, which is my really super light beachfront bronze or beachfront color. That one. Anybody? Anybody? Bueller? It's the last step, then I'm done. Lucky. I love Lucky. It's one of my favorites. Anybody else? Haha, Lucky. That's funny. I didn't even see it said Licky. Licky, licky. Nobody's gonna licky my lips today, so whatever. Coastal Breeze. So we have one Lucky, one pink gloss, and one Coastal Breeze. Who's my tiebreaker? I need somebody to say one of those. Yuli says Lucky. Anybody else having an opinion? Are we done? Okay, cool. Licky it is. I'm going to go with Licky. Aw. Okay. I love this color lip gloss. It's my favorite one. It's my favorite gloss. Thanks, y'all. Putting just a little bit of highlight right up on my Cupid's bow. I'm glad, Kat. How's that? Works? I'm going to set my face with the Behold setting spray because, as you know, I'm going to the gym today. This look will hold strong all day. Do we need anything before I set it? Are we good? Do you need anything? Anything? I don't think so. Okay. I am set. I am pretty. My hair is a hot mess. It needs some dry shampoo because it's wash day after the gym. Okay. I may or may not have outside photos today because it's windy and I don't know that I want to go out there. It's cold. So there you go. Palette 5. I finally used it. I faced my fears and I did it. All right, guys. I got to get my day going. I got lots of shit to do. If you guys need any custom design apparel, embroidery, or Unique Cosmetics. Don't forget the Flawless 4. It comes with a foundation, a concealer, a setting powder or setting spray, and a primer. You get to mix and match your Flawless Floor for whatever you want for $99. October 31st at $11.59 is your last second to grab that. Don't miss it. Also, if you guys want to kidnap or help sell the start selling the makeup, the kit this month is $99 for $450 worth of makeup, plus you get the bag. Check it out. If you guys have questions about it, message me. I love you. Have a great day. I'll see you on Hump Day. My favorite day, Hump Day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Don't blow away.